Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys can see by the title, today I am installing this wig that I got from Amazon. This is probably like the third wig I've gotten from Amazon. One wig I got from Amazon like a few months ago. I made a video on TikTok but not on YouTube, and it didn't blow up, but like it got a lot of views and reactions and whatnot. And so for this one, I was like, let me make a YouTube video and a TikTok video so the girlies could see what Amazon is talking about, because some Amazon stores have some really nice wigs, and I don't know like what's going on, but I've had good luck this time and the last time that I purchased a wig, because both of them were just so good. So this one that I have in my head that I'm going to be installing in this video is, hold on, let me look at it because I want to make sure I got all the information right. Alright, it's this 26-inch straight frontal wig. It's 180 density and it's 13 by 6. The frontal is 13 by 6. It says HD transparent lace, and the store is called the All Boom store, so ALLBOOM. I will put the link in the bio, of course, and all the information that I just said in the bio. But yeah, that is where I got it from. The wig came in like a regular satin bag. It came with some lashes. Actually, these lashes I have on right now, that wasn't even planned. Like, I was like, I have to film this intro, and I just picked up some lashes. These are actually the lashes that were in the thing, so these are cute. And some wig caps, of course, were also in the pack. But yeah, this is my hair 2 days after I installed it. I did some really tight wand curls the day I installed it, and this is 2 days later. It still looks good. Like, the curl held. I haven't gone anywhere or done anything, but like, I think this looks pretty good. Oh, I think my nails getting caught in the hair. I think this looks good, but yeah, I think it's true to length. It's a natural black color. Usually my wigs be like the brown, natural brown, but this one was all black, like pure black, and I actually like it. I think it looks really good. But yeah, I have no complaints about this hair so far. Like I said, I've only had it for 2 days, but so far it doesn't shed. Like, literally, I just combed my whole entire head and only one piece of hair came out right before this video, so that's a good sign. And I've had wigs with bad shedding. This wig does not shed bad at all. Like I said, I don't know how I got lucky, but I just be searching and searching and looking at reviews, and I get my wigs, and this is what we come up with. So let me give y'all a view of the back. But yeah, if you want to see me install this, just continue watching. Give this video a like before you even continue. Comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Press the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a new video. And yeah, let's get into it.
But I Eclipse.
Alright, so I didn't film this part, but I wand curled this hair, and this is what it looked like immediately after. And then I'm also going to show you guys what it looked like once I combed it out. And y'all, I loved it. I love this hair. I hope you guys did too. Definitely like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.